Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer GoDaddy domain to your Namecheap. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, you want to go to your Namecheap and to your account, and after this, go ahead to transfer to us option and transfer domains. Here you can go ahead and transfer your domains. Now you will need to enter your domain name you want to transfer, so go ahead to GoDaddy. On GoDaddy, go ahead and copy your domain name and put it on Namecheap. So you gotta put it here, click transfer. Now go ahead and check out the register. And that's pretty much it. You need to agree to retrieve your domain's contact information. And also you need to get authorization code, which is again on GoDaddy. So go ahead, get the GoDaddy. Now on GoDaddy, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you will see transfer and click transfer to another register. Click on it. After that, you will see this page and you need to click continue. And after that, just click here to see authorization code and copy it to clipboard. Now here on Namecheap, you want to go ahead and paste your authorization code. And after that, click verify authorization code. And after that, you can go ahead, add it to cart and transfer your domain. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.